Here's how to create a custom Unity editor tool. First off, just go into your scripts folder or wherever you put your scripts and make a new C# script and open it up. For my example, I'll be creating a tool to reset the transform of any game object, so I'll call it reset transform. And once you do that, you can go ahead and add using Unity editor under using Unity engine to the beginning of your script. And in order to make this a menu item, we need to add the menu item attribute to the beginning of our code. And you can see on screen here how to do that. And also make note of these shortcut keys. Those can be very useful if you plan to use the function a lot. And it's honestly my favorite part of making the menu items is figuring out what shortcut I should use. So I'm making the shortcut Shift-Alt-K, so I'll use # ampersand lowercase k. And so now you can go ahead and delete the default start and update functions and replace that with a new static void named whatever you want the function to be called. Now the code that goes in this part really depends on what you want your function to do, but I'll give you a few pointers here. Selection class is really helpful. If you have something selected while you use your menu item, you can use selection.objects to see what you have selected. Or if you just want to use one object, you can use selection.activeGameObject to see what's currently active in the inspector. In my case, I'll just loop through all the selected game objects and set their transform positions to 0. If I test it out on this example level here, you can see all the game objects go to position 0, which is good, but if I go to another scene and come back, the positions aren't changed. The problem is that our scene isn't saving because it doesn't know anything has changed. So we can tell Unity that our scene has changed by marking the scene dirty using the editor scene manager. And if you're selecting any prefabs and you want to make those modifications shown, then you'll have to use this monster of a function in order to change them. And if you want to be able to undo your function, then you'll have to, okay, never mind. If you want to be able to undo your function, you're clearly past my ability level. Anyway, hope that helped. Have fun making your menu items and have a good day, I guess.